In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank statement in QuickBooks Online using a laptop browser. Reconciliation is the process of matching what's in QuickBooks to what actually cleared your bank. Doing this regularly helps you catch errors, find duplicates, and make sure your reports are accurate. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account on your laptop. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and open Accounting, then choose Reconcile. This takes you to the Reconciliation Setup screen. From the Account dropdown, select the specific bank account you want to reconcile. Be sure you have your bank statement handy because you'll need two key pieces of information: the ending balance and the ending date. Enter those exactly as shown on the statement. Accuracy here is crucial. If the ending date or amount doesn't match the statement, the reconciliation won't come out correctly. When you're ready, click Start Reconciling. You'll now see a list of transactions recorded in QuickBooks for that account. Your goal is to match these to the transactions on your bank statement for the same statement period. Work methodically. Check off deposits and credits in QuickBooks that appear on your statement with the same amounts and dates. Then do the same for withdrawals, payments, and bank fees. Only select items that have cleared the bank during that statement period. If a transaction hasn't cleared yet, leave it unchecked for a future reconciliation. Keep an eye on the difference shown at the bottom of the screen. You want that number to be exactly zeros or dollars. If it's not zero, don't worry. This simply means something doesn't match yet. Common causes include missing transactions that weren't entered in QuickBooks, duplicates that were recorded twice, or amounts or dates that were entered incorrectly. Compare line by line. Look for small discrepancies like a transposed number or a bank fee that wasn't recorded. If something seems off, pause and review the source documents. Avoid forcing a reconciliation. Instead, find and fix the mismatch so your records stay clean. As you finish checking items, that difference should move towards zero. Once everything matches your statement and the difference is $0, click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. You've successfully balanced that period, and your books will reflect what the bank shows. That's it. Simple, accurate, and a big step toward maintaining reliable financials. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.